In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a product into HubSpot for 2025. This process is crucial if you want to streamline product management and ensure your sales and marketing teams have access to accurate product information. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head on over to the HubSpot user guide. You can find this by navigating to the specific URL or simply searching for the HubSpot user guide online. This will serve as your starting point for navigating through the HubSpot interface and help you get familiar with the resources available for new users, as well as anyone needing a refresher on the platform's capabilities. Once the page loads, your goal is to locate and click on Products. This feature within HubSpot is your main access point for managing the various products your business offers. By selecting this option, you can view an organized list of your current product catalog, all neatly arranged for easy access and management. With the Products section now open, look for the Import button and go ahead and click on it. Importing is an excellent time saver, allowing you to bring in data seamlessly from external sources without manually entering each piece of information. Clicking Import forms the bridge between your existing data sources and HubSpot's comprehensive product management system. The next step is also quite simple. Find and select Import a file. This option is specifically for importing your product data from a file stored on your computer or in the cloud. The file needs to be in a compatible format, usually CSV or Excel format, which makes bulk data entry both swift and efficient. As you proceed to import your file, ensure that your product information is correctly formatted and organized. Consistent headers and accurate data points will prevent errors during the upload process and ensure that all entries are recorded as intended. After selecting your file, you may be prompted with further options to review and confirm your data fields, offering another chance to make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the import. Taking these steps correctly will assure a smooth integration of your product data into HubSpot's system, enabling your teams to work with the most current and complete information available. This new data can then be accessed by various departments, aiding in coordinated efforts across marketing, sales, and support teams, ultimately contributing to improved business intelligence and decision-making. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to import products into HubSpot. Be sure to check out our other guides and resources if you need more help navigating HubSpot or optimizing its use for your business needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful content. See you in the next video.